Hello everybody, I've got the bike for repair, and in this video I would like to tell you how to fix the cracking sound on the mirror. This is one of the best mirrors on the market. I love it pretty much, and but it has one disadvantage, that with the time it starts squeaking and this bolt becomes loose and the mirror doesn't stay in the position because the bolt got unscrewed. Few words about this bike. There were two attempts to steal this bike in Manhattan. First time a loser was unable to cut the lock. The owner of the bike has a nice A-bus folding lock, which is stored here. And the second time, a thief had a grinder with him, and he cut the lock, but when he tries to start the bike, it goes into the locking mode, so the rear wheel starts working as a generator, and it's almost impossible to spin the wheel. So you either need to throw it in the car or just leave the bike to carry it. So he left the bike and he tried to disable motor by pulling those cables, but fortunately he didn't cut through hydraulic lines on the brakes, but he just, I need to fix it. That's why this bike is here. But let's come back to the main reason of this video. So I'll show you how to fix this mirror. So disassembling it and cleaning. This bolt is normally becomes very rusty. Come on. There we go. So, wiping everything out, and then we need to make a thin film of oil. I will use grease, just a little bit on my finger. That's enough. And applying so that those washers will be greasy, and this washer as well. That's it. And now assemble everything back, but make sure that there will be no oil or a lubricant on the bolt by itself. Otherwise this bolt will not hold. Okay, now it doesn't make any sounds. And it stays in place. Very easy. I love this mirror. I have it for many years on my bike as well.